Hello, today we are going to begin our intro to statistics with the measures of central tendency. This is our mean, median, and mode, and range isn't necessarily a measure of central tendency, but we usually pair it with the other three. So the first one here, we have what is called the mean. Now I know you guys have seen all of these before. They're standard from earlier in your school years, but we're doing a review today. The mean in an actual statistics class would be called X bar, and it would look like this. Okay, we're not going to use that so much, but that's just something good for you to know. This is the average of a data set. Okay, so how you find this, you're going to add up your numbers and then divide by the number of numbers in the set of data. So if you have 7 numbers, you'll add them all up and then you'll divide by 7. The median is the middle number in a set of data, so you must put the numbers in order from smallest to largest first, and then you just count in. The mode is just the number that shows up the most in your set of data. You can have no mode, you can have more than one mode, or there can just be one. And then the range, this is the difference of the highest and the lowest numbers. You'll just subtract the biggest number minus the smallest number. So we have 2 examples. We are going to find the mean, median, and mode of a couple different data sets. So first, we are going to write our data in order from smallest to largest. Now, pro tip here, cross out the numbers as you go so you don't accidentally forget one or you don't use one more than once. Now 22 did appear twice in the set, that's why I wrote it twice. Oops, and then this one I totally put out of order. So I can just move that around, squeeze 39 in there, then 41, then 47. Another good thing to do is check how many there were to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll be good for the mean later. And then make sure there's still 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So to find the mean, we didn't actually need to put them in order. That's really only needed for the median, but that's okay. Now we can easily type them in. 17 plus 22 plus 22 plus 26 plus 39 plus 41 plus 47. And we get the addition of all these numbers is 214. We know there are 7 numbers within our set, so I'm going to divide by 7, which means my average is about 30.57. For the median, we're going to use these numbers in order. Let me copy and paste them down here. And there's 2 ways you can do it. I know you can't see my fingers on the screen, but you can just cover up each number. So you'll cover up 17 and 47 at the same time. You'll cover up 22 and 41 at the same time. You'll cover up 22 and 39 at the same time. And then this one left in the middle, that is your median. It's your middle number. The second way is actually what I did on the screen, is you just mark them off in pairs from outside to inside. And then the mode, this is the number that shows up the most. In this case, 22 shows up twice, so that is our mode. And our range, we just take our biggest number, 47, minus our smallest number, 17, and we should get 30. Okay? So hopefully that's easy enough. Lots of review from the past. We'll go ahead and try another one. We have a slightly bigger set of data that we are going to use. So first things first, we need to order our data. We're going to order it from smallest to largest. So we're going to start with 18, and I'm going to cross out as I go. Another one, then 22, then 22, then 24, then 28, then it looks like 37, 41, 52, and 62. Okay, so for my mean, I'm going to just add all of these up. So I'm going to have all of these added. And I have to count how many terms I have all together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 terms. So I'm going to take this number and divide it by 10. So my mean is 324 divided by 10, which is about, or actually it's exactly 32.4. The median, same thing as before, I'm just going to leave it where it is. You're going to mark out the two outside ones, they're a pair, then the next two, next two, next two. When you have an even set of data, your median will look like it's shared between 2 points. To solve that, you'll see down here, you must find the average of your two middle numbers. So if you've got an even set of terms, you'll just take those two, add them, divide by 2. In this case, you end up with 26 as your median. The mode is the number that shows up most. In this case, both 18 and 22 show up twice. So our mode is both 18 and 22. And our range is 62 minus 18, or 44. All right? And that's all for today. Have a great day.